product in our range of pizza dough makers. Number 1 is the pizza dough roller maker designer for your design of your pizza dough. On this, by rolling this out on the pizza dough, you can make the design as you wish. And the second product in this range is the pizza roller for your pizza rolling machine. This product is our future product that is for automated machines, that is pizza dough roller making machines. This roller is placed in your pizza dough machine and it will automatically produce the design on the pizza dough. So this product is for restaurants which have the bulk of manufacturing process and bulk of materials to required, and this for home or personal use or at your shops and the small shops you can use this type of products. If you want to interested, then please contact at my numbers. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for watching. I'm Ramit Diman at your service. So hello everyone, today we have make the pizza dough with design. So first we roll it out and make the size as you wish of your pizza dough. So make it some type of bigger pizza dough. I hope it will work. So first we make the pizza dough as our size of our pizza. So made a medium size or small size pizza dough because the size of this floor is very small. So make a small size pizza dough with the design. So we roll it out with the plain surface, and this is the basic pizza dough. Right now it's a basic pizza dough, and if you make it feel beautiful, and this pizza roller makes it, you have to make it, and this with a single bit of the clean work, it will do this type of pizza doughs at every time. This is beautiful pizza dough for your new pizza designs. I'm your host Ramit Diman at your service anytime. And this bigger roller is also if you have the bulk of work and if you are working in restaurants. So this is beautiful pizza dough, and it is ready to be put in the microwave.